Welcome to this video demonstration of VeryPDF DRM Protector. In this video, we will walk through how to upload a PDF, apply digital rights management, add watermarks, and securely distribute and monitor protected documents. Let's begin. First, we will upload a PDF document. To begin, select your own PDF file from your computer. Once the file is selected, enter your email address. Next, we will add watermarks to the PDF. VeryPDF DRM Protector supports text watermarks, image watermarks, and dynamic watermarks. Dynamic watermarks automatically display user-specific information, such as IP address, date, or time. This helps discourage unauthorized sharing and improves document traceability. Now, let's apply DRM protection to the document. You can require users to log in with a username and password for offline documents. This ensures only authorized users can open the PDF. You can set an expiry date so the document automatically becomes inaccessible after a certain time. Printing, saving, copying can all be disabled to prevent content leakage. You can also set a viewing time limit, restricting how long the document can be viewed. The system allows you to define how many times an account can view the document before it expires. If printing is allowed, you can limit the number of prints per user. You can restrict the PDF so it can only be opened on the first specified number of devices. A device refers to a unique computer or mobile device identified by hardware or system information. Screen shield coverage can be enabled to prevent screen capture and screen recording. You can force the PDF reader to exit automatically after a specified number of wrong password attempts. The document can be set to delete itself automatically after expiration. You can restrict the PDF to a specific operating system or system environment. Access can also be restricted by IP address or hardware ID, ensuring the document is only opened from approved locations or devices. VeryPDF DRM Protector provides both online and offline secure viewing. For offline viewing, documents are converted to the VPDF format and opened using the VeryPDF reader, which can be downloaded separately. You can securely share documents using protected links. Enhanced Web View allows users to view documents directly in a browser without downloading the PDF file. You can also embed protected document links into websites or internal systems. The user portal allows you to manage files easily. If this is your first time using VeryPDF DRM Protector, you will be asked to register an account. After registration, you can access the user portal, where all your protected documents are managed. Here, you can access and see all of your files. You can enable or disable document access at any time. User activity is recorded in detailed logs, allowing you to monitor when documents are opened, where they are accessed from, and by whom. You can see your own activity. You can look at print statistics if you enable printing. VeryPDF DRM Protector also supports a virtual data room for securely sharing multiple documents with controlled access. User management features allow you to assign documents to specific users and restrict documents so only selected users can access them. Finally, VeryPDF offers custom development services. Custom solutions can be built to meet specific business requirements, including system integration, advanced DRM rules, and automated workflows. Thank you for watching this demonstration.